Whether AI can be used to interview para ma-reduce po yung procrastination ko sa mga estudyante ko ng STEM university. So, ang una po namin itatanong ko, first question, what do you think are the main reasons why you procrastinate when working on school assignments, especially in STEM subjects?
Usually, mukha ko cliche, pero I mostly prefer more activities na mas mag-favor yung time ko, and I mostly mas gusto ko unahin yung mga enjoyable things rather than my assignments kasi nag-procrastinate talaga.
Kaya yun yung patanggal sa So, second question po, how do you think the complexity of STEM subjects contribute to your tendency to procrastinate po?
Like,
How do you think the complexity of STEM subjects contribute to your tendency to procrastinate po? Kumbaga, may contribution po ba yung kahirapan ko ng mga subjects? Like, for example, basic calculus,
yeah. Basic calculus po. That's why pinili ko po ang STEM kasi yung basic calculus talaga nahihirapan ako. So, ito po yung isang field na nakaka-hinder sa nakaka-affect po siya sa academic performance.
Tapos, question number 3 po, are you willing to rely on AI to help manage your study schedule and properly reduce procrastination? Why or why not?
Artificial intelligence is made mostly for students, to help students to provide answers. Pero I don't use AI to get answers for my activities kasi parang abuse ito kasi ang main reason kaya tayo binagbibigyan ng activities is to learn, not use AI to create subjective answers for your activities.
So, question number 4 po. How does procrastination impact your personal life, such as sleep, extracurricular activities such as clubs, or relationships?
I don't participate in extracurricular activities, pero ang procrastination po apekto po sa sleeping schedules ko. Hindi po ako masyado nakakatulog dahil sa pagpaprocrastinate, and I know it's bad for my health. And naka-apekto po ito kasi parang mas pinaprioritize ko pa yung mga favorable activities rather than these outputs na kailangan kong ipasa na malapit ng deadline.
Tapos, question number 5 po. Do you think addressing procrastination is important for STEM students? Why or why not?
Of course, kasi binibigyan tayo ng deadline ng mga teachers natin. So, obliged tayo na sagutan ang mga outputs on time because we are responsible for this kind of activities.
Question number 6 po. How do you think your own time management skills and habits contribute to your tendency to procrastinate on STEM-related assignments?
Pwede po pa ulit.
How do you think your own time management skills and habits contribute to your tendency to procrastinate on STEM-related assignments?
I don't have any idea po sa ganyan. Kasi,
So basically, kung may time management skills po ba kayo or habits na nakaka-contribute po talaga sa procrastination po sa mga assignments?
inuuna ko po yung mas madaling activities kasi nag-a-ask po ako ng help sa mga co-students ko sa mga mahirap na activities like sa basic calculus kasi I find math really hard.
So in that case, let's say parang hindi naman po siya nakaka-contribute po masyado sa procrastination. Question number 7. Have you ever used any AI-powered study tools? How was your experience?
I have not. Kahit sa grade 10, hindi po ako gumamit ng AI tools. I just, does Google considered? Kasama ba ang Google sa AI power?
Yes, siguro.
Yeah, I use Google.
So, kumbaga, Google lang po talaga yung pinaka ginamit nitong AI.
Yes, I rely on it.
Tapos, question number 8. Do you believe AI-powered tools such as personalized reminders and intelligent planners can be more effective than traditional time management methods? Why?
It can contribute to us students, pero hindi naman natin kailangang i-abuse yung power ng AI.
So in that case, gagamitin na lang po sa tamang way.
Yeah.
So last question. What additional features do you think an AI-powered tool should have to further reduce procrastination? So ano po yung parang extra features po na gusto niyo pong ma-apply po ng AI po for if ever lang po, mga features na para ma-reduce po yung procrastination.
Like extended information na makakapagbigay ng extra knowledge sa students. Yun lang. I have no idea kasi sa AI kasi I don't use AI
Sige.
as my
Salamat po talaga sa pagsasagot.